Hey, it's Clary, and in this video, you'll learn how to make a drop-down menu in Shopify. It'll only take a minute, and I promise you'll be done before I can finish making my tea. Okay, let's do it. Start from your dashboard and click Content, Menus, then select your main menu. To turn it into a drop-down, all you have to do is create a new menu item. You can directly select the page, collection, or blog, or whatever you want to put on your drop-down by clicking on the link field. I'm going to fast forward here as I add all my collections to this menu. Then hit save. Now I can drag these menu items I just added into the item I want to turn into a drop-down. Hit save. And now you have a drop-down. You can even organize your drop-down further by moving some of these items underneath another to create a subcategory. So when you hit save, you get a drop-down for your drop-down. Okay, so what if you want to create a mega menu instead? I've got a tutorial for that right here, so I'll see you in the next one. It's actually really good.